What up, Puff Puff gang? I only got 18 minutes for this video. What's good, y'all? We at the mall, and I decided to get me some from China Master. Is that what the name of it was? Got me some noodles and some honey chicken and a chicken egg roll, a chicken egg roll, y'all. So I'm gonna say grace, y'all, and I'm gonna start my meal. Heavenly Father, thank you for the food I'm about to receive. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. So what's good with everybody? How y'all doing? Is noodles good for you?
Is that called low money? Is that low money noodles?
You know what?
I think so.
I ain't even, probably is, yo. I ain't even. The name of them was right there, too. I ain't even look, yo. I usually get the orange chicken. Ain't that the sweet chicken?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, orange. Mm-hmm.
I mean, I'm good though. I'm turn it up. It's just, I got hot walking.
All right. You find your go in hell?
Huh?
No.
It might be. Let me see now. Let me look at my purse. Yeah, it is. Okay. I must have got it.
And forget. Well, no. We at the mall still, y'all. I went and looked for a coat. They said they gonna have their new shipment in a few weeks. They still got they got some new stuff in there, but it ain't new. They got some different stuff though, like them sweaters and stuff they got in there wasn't there first, but they saying cause I was looking for a coat. They said shipment coming in.
Go ahead. I'm sorry.
You good?
I'm going to drop me a dang on coat. Been not open it yet. My coat. I'm going to drop that.
Right.
No, I don't need no coat.
Excuse me, y'all.
Whew.
Look.
Wait a minute, who you talking about first of all? No. No, you...
It's gonna be done. Last bite, y'all. Last bite, I'm spicy. I forgot about my egg, bro. I'll be eating that later. Anyway, how y'all doing? I was gonna do a video in the mall, y'all, but y'all know how that go with the playing music and stuff. Woo! Excuse me. Now I'm full. For now. Know I'm gonna be hungry later. I'm gonna find me something that I can cook. Later on tonight, gotta go to the grocery store. Well, not later on tonight, but later on. You ready for me to drive?
You done?
Yeah, I'm done eating.
No, what about your video, bro?
I'm finna talk and drive. Go ahead. Let me switch seats, y'all. They ain't quite over yet. No shit. Put my seatbelt on. Okay. We going back the same way, bro? Okay.
Should have got some now.
Got some what?
Chicken.
Oh, did you order it?
Not yet.
You ain't ordering it yet?
I'm gonna order when you get to doing your video.
Oh, okay. always like to do at least 15 or more. Yeah. So that's why I ain't stopping. But anyway, y'all.
Everybody want to decide to call now. These folks get on my nerve, boy. I tell you. Oh. You may hear that. Everybody in that minute
can call you when you doing something.
Yeah. I ain't shop.
That's how it is.
Oh, it hurts. Yes.
Yeah. Should I stay in this one?
You gonna go back? Same way you came, pretty much. Past that McDonald's, you know.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we going back down. Oh, but we go keep straight, right?
Keep straight.
Yeah, because we just came from that way, didn't we? Okay. Yeah, we're going to go down here. Yeah, get some more food. My way to eat. I'm good until later on today. What time is it?
2:10.
Oh, it's still early. So I just ate some lunch then. Well, it's lunch for me. Lunch is 12 noon, right?
Yes, sir.
Man, it be packed out here with traffic.
Oh, yeah.
School gonna be getting out in a minute, ain't it?
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
I hate the traffic in the schools.
I thought they were gonna close the schools down, but I guess they gonna leave them open, huh?
I was hoping they did, because, man, it's terrible.
Then they talking about a new thing out.
Yeah, new strain.
Yeah, I guess they say they gotta go to school, though. Well, I don't know.
I think they can do virtual again, though. That's what I was.
Yeah, but P, a lot of kids was failing with that virtual stuff they was saying.
Yeah, but I'd rather for them to fail than goddamn be dead. You know, because don't no kid deserve to, you know, die.
Yeah.
Like that from this virus, anyway. So,
That
I mean, don't get me wrong. They don't, you know, I say I prefer them, but I don't want them to fail. But as far as, you know, this virus is killing these
but
kids.
they don't have to fail. You just gotta, that means you gonna have to help.
But a lot of parents not able to stay at home.
I know it gotta work.
They just, man, it's just gotta be a better way.
It's hard, but still.
It's just gotta be a better way, some kind of way, man.
What can you do, though?
Pray about it.
Yeah.
Prayer. I don't have any kids in school, but I have grandkids, so, you know, man, I feel so bad for these kids. And us, hey, adults too.
Everybody
going through it. Exactly. So, like I said, I don't wish this on my worst enemies for this virus. I ain't gonna lie, it's something.
Yeah.
It's something else.
Yep.
And then, you know, just think how do adults, how it will make kids, how it does make a kid feel.
Right.
I don't think a kid could have went through what I went through. Almost. I don't wish that on my worst enemy.
Dude, you should turn. What is you doing?
Was somebody in front of him?
Yeah, that white car.
Oh.
He waiting on that black car to turn when you supposed to get out the street. The black car ain't in the middle of the traffic. I guess people don't know what you go do and they don't want to just chance it. Because you know, when you go, they might go.
Right. And then, there it go.
Yep. And you gonna be like, dang, I should have waited.
Too late.
It's too late. You done hit the gas. Alright. People sit for an hour just to make sure you ain't finna go.
Yeah.
Crazy. But anyway, y'all, I ain't gonna keep y'all. I was just doing 15 minutes. I know Baby gotta order her food and stuff. So I'm gonna see y'all soon in another video. I'm gonna see y'all a little later. Well, y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace, love y'all. Until later.